If you're a woodworker or a hobbyist, the following scene may look familiar to you. And that scene is the all too familiar struggle of when you're doing an assembly or a glue up of where to put the parts while they're drying so they won't get beat up or damaged while you're working on the rest of the project. You could, of course, just head downtown to the rack store and spend a bunch of money on a fancy drying rack, but you know what? I've got a better idea. And I'll show you how we can solve this problem forever in 3 easy steps, so stay tuned. And the best part is it won't cost you any money. Step 1, hop in your truck and fire up the engine. Step 2, drive around town through the alleys looking for an old broke down dishwasher that was left out near the trash for the garbage company to pick up. And at this point you can probably guess where I'm going with this. And now for the third and final step. Remove the dish racks from the dishwasher hop back in your truck and head back to your shop. Okay, so let's try this again. And just like that, you've got yourself a fancy drying rack that you can use for all sorts of projects in your shop. And hey, thanks for watching. I'm glad you stopped by. And while you're here, consider hitting the subscribe button. I have a lot of project videos planned and more tip videos like this coming up, and you won't want to miss any of them.